Hey folks, welcome to Zilla Security. So today we're going to give you a quick overview. This is meant to be a very light and quick tour around the platform, show you what's possible in the breakthrough identity governance and automation platform. So you notice we're taking the administration out of legacy IGA. So we'll dive right in. So as you can see here, when we log into Zilla, we're going to see dozens and hundreds of applications. And that's because automation and integrations is our top priority. So the ability to connect with any application, pull it in, you can see it's very easy to get access to. So we have a library of over 1,000 applications here that really gives you the opportunity to connect with anything you have. So whether it's Salesforce, it's GitHub, it's Jira, all of these applications are ready and available to integrate immediately, pull in all the users, the permissions, their entitlements, so that you can see exactly what's happening with any of them. So if I look at AWS, I can quickly see all of my users who've been set up in AWS. I can look for interesting tidbits like inactive users who still have access to AWS and have a fully understood view of where these people have left the company, but still have access to this application. Big security risk. Now, with their applications, we're also going to understand the directory and the people in the company. So as we look at a particular company directory, like Azure Active Directory, we can pick any particular person and get a quick view of every application this person has access to and what they can do with these particular applications. So it really provides a nice view of exactly what's happening in that platform and helps you understand, what can these people do. So we will also pull in interesting metadata about the permissions and any particular MFA status where available. So also a great way to manage some of those security controls. Now for access reviews, Zilla has all of the context about these applications and can use that data to perform user access reviews, whether it's a manager review, it's an application owner review, a review of just privileged access. You have full capabilities to look at a review, understand who has access to these applications, and then you can have folks either decide to maintain that access they have or revoke it. We will also highlight all of the permissions and have them reviewed on a permission by permission basis and flag in any segregation of duties conflicts. So we can see here we've detected one for Ada. She has both salary change approval and the ability to update that employee status. It's a financial fraud risk. We want to highlight those, flag them, and make sure that that access gets revoked, which looks like this user has already done for them. Now, as part of the overall view, we can also set up provisioning, so the ability to configure policies and applications within Zilla, so you can set up different applications to be provisioned, whether it's part of the birthright provisioning or the user request permissions, so their ability to go into the service catalog in a ServiceNow or Jira and request permissions you can do within Zilla here, as well as we have profiles. So this is the last thing I'll touch on, but the ability to use AI to understand, typically for people who have this specific type of metadata, like a department or an organization or a job title or a job code, what are the permissions they should have based on our understanding of all the people and the permissions we've discovered. And then we make those suggestions. So you can automatically decide, yes, these are permissions that should be pre-approved. And then when someone new joins the organization, boom, that person in that role gets that permission. And also, when you're doing a user access review, if it's already pre-approved from a profile, you don't have to review that. So you're going to save a ton of time on your user access reviews. Okay, folks, that's been a rapid tour of Zilla. So I will stop there. And if you're interested in hearing more, just reach out. Thank you.